Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo X80 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of those pages we should have our power saving toggle. For me it is right over here and it's called battery saver, to be more precise. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this message right here to extend battery life. Power saver assistant will reduce the device's performance, turn off 5G, and restrict vibration and most background data. For sync-dependent applications such as email and chat tools, you may need to open them to receive new messages. Now, I do want to give props right here for Vivo. This is a fantastic explanation of what the mode will do. So you're gonna select turn on and it's just gonna run. And unlike most other devices, even Samsung, Vivo decided to actually give you a full idea of what the mode will change on your device, so you know what to expect. And one of the more important things that it changes is the connectivity with the network when the mode is enabled. It also gave you solutions to the problems that you might encounter. So what happens is power saving mode tends to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. Now because of that, you might basically experience that notifications are either being delayed or not delivered to you at all. And it does give you a way to combat that. So if you're not getting any kind of notifications, as it said from, for instance, emails, you can open up emails and then it will automatically force the device to sync up all the data that it's missing, all the emails that it didn't decide to fetch while you weren't using the device. So just be aware of that, as this might have some kind of impact on your usability of the device. So if you tend to not interact with your phone, put it into, well, lock it and just set it to the side, and waiting for some kind of notification from apps that require internet connection, just know that you actually might not get those till you start interacting with the device. Now that being said, once you're done needing your power saving mode, you can find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to disable it. And this will revert all the changes. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.